of the probability is when a golfer plays any hole, he will take 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 strokes with the probabilities of 1 by 10, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and 1 by 10 respectively. Respectively, here the word to be focused is respectively. Respectively mean that you are not supposed to break the sequence. If he is talking about 3 at the first place, you have to associate the probability 1 by 10 with this 3. And the second number, it is 4, so you have to take the probability 1 by 5 for this particular 4. Similarly, if you are taking 7, that 7 is at the last position, so you have to take the probability relative to the 7 which is present at last, means 1 by 10 probability is taken for 7 stroke. He never takes more than 7 strokes. Find the probability of the following event: a scoring 4 on each of the first 3 holes. It's mean that he is getting 4 strokes. How many turns he is playing? He is playing 3 turns. It means if you want to find out the probability of 4 at each of probability scoring 4 on each of first 3 holes, that is basically equals to probability of 4 at first hole multiply probability of 4 at second hole, probability of 4 at third hole. It's mean he is taking 3 turns, but each time he is having 4 strokes. So we have to use a probability of 4 3 times. Probability of 4. What is the probability of 4 here? The 4 is at second place, so you have to take the probability which is present at the second place. That is 1 by 5. So place over here 1 by 5 dot 1 by 5 dot 1 by 5. So what you are getting over here? You are getting 1 by 125, that is basically equals to 0.008. Now if you move toward the part B of this question, he's saying scoring 3, 4, 5 in that order. You have to focus on in this. It means that you are not supposed to change the order. First on first stock you are going to have 3, then 4, then 5. You are not going to shuffle it because he has written over here in that order. It means you are bound to take the order which is given by the examiner, or a order which is written in your question. If this word is not written, then you have to take the different combination. That will be 3 3 4 5 4 5 3 and 5 3 4. Okay, on the first 3 holes, it's mean that he's having 3 turns. At first place he's having 3 strokes, at second place he's having 4 strokes, at third place he's having fifth stroke. It's mean that you have to use a probability of 3 4 5 in this particular part. So probability of scoring 3 4 and 5, that is basically equals to what? Probability of 3 multiply by probability of 4 multiply probability of 5. So the probability of 3 is 1 by 10, probability of 4 is 1 by 5, and probability of 5 is 2 by 5. So you have to place the values over here that are 1 by 10 dot 1 by 5 dot 1 by 2 by 5. So what you will get? You will get the answer 2 by 250, which is further equals to 0.008. Part number C says scoring a total of 28. It means that you have to add these strokes 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in order to get the answer 28. But how many times he is taking uh, 4 holes? It's mean that he have to play for 4 holes, but the condition is the sum of 4 holes will be 28. So there is only one option. If we add 3, 4, 5 and 6, we are not getting 28. If we are adding 7, 6, 5, 4, we are not getting 28. So what is the only situation over here? Only possibility here is 7 7 7. Means this is basically a rough part, you have to guess it, then after that you will solve it in a separate place. 7 7 7 and 7, the total will be 28. It's mean that you have to find out probability of 7 multiply probability of 7 multiply probability of 7 multiply probability of 7. This is basically a rough work now. Now put the value for the probability of 7. 7 is at a large place, so the probability of 7 is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 dot 1 by 10 dot 1 by 10 dot 1 by 10, that is basically equals to 1 over 10,000, and you will get the answer 0.0001. Let's move toward part number D. It's saying scoring a total of 10 for the first three holes. It's mean that you have to combine these letters 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in order to get 10, while you are given with the condition that you can choose only three numbers because he is having first three holes. It means he is having only three chances to make the total of 10. He is having a target of 10, but he is having three balls in other case na. So what we can make the combination of 3 4 5 6 and 7 in order to get 10. If we add 6 and 7 we will get 11, so this is not possible. So what we have to take, if we add 5 and 6 and 7 we will get the number greater than 10. So we are left with only one option, that we have to use these two letters only, otherwise we will get the answer. If we use 5 6 7 we will get the answer greater than 10. So we are bound or we are restricted to have only these two numbers in order to make 10, total of 10. 3 4, if you get the rough clue over here, we know that 3 4 and 4, that is equals to what? That is not equals to 10, that is equals to 11. But if we make the combination 3 3 4, we will get the answer 10. 3 plus 3 will be 6 and 4 will be 10. It's mean that we are not supposed to take this sequence, we have to take this sequence, but here we are bound because we are not given with the option that in that order we have to use in the particular order. So we have three combination. First combination is 3 3 4, the second combination will be 4 3 3, and the next combination will be 3 4 3. These all possibilities will give us total 10. Means if we have 3 at first hole, 3 strokes at second hole, 4 strokes at third hole, we will get the 10. Similarly, if we get first hole we get 4 strokes, and rest of the two places will give us 3, even then we will get the probability 10. So what will be our answer? Probability of first case, probability of 3, probability of 3, probability of 3 4, sorry, then plus what is the probability over here? Probability of 4, probability of 3, probability of 3. This is rough work, you are not supposed to write this in your question. Come to next part. 3 4 3, probability of 3 multiply probability of 4 multiply probability of 3. So on inserting the respective values you will get, on inserting the value we will get the answer 0.006. Hope you are liking the videos. Please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video.